reducing agent, like metal hydrides. Metal examples for metal hydrides are lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. Or we can add some metal catalyst. It will be converted to aldehydes and ketones to alcohols like platinum, palladium and nickel. So the plus point of common catalyst like lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, this reduces only carbonyl group and it does not reduces carbon-carbon double bond and double bond in benzene ring. In case of alpha and beta unsaturated aldehydes and ketones, the lithium aluminum hydride reduces only carbonyl group and not for carbon-carbon double bond. For example, alpha and beta unsaturated aldehydes like acrolein or acrylic aldehyde, it will be reduces by using lithium aluminum hydride. It reduces only C double bond O. So CHO can be written as C double bond OH. So the lithium aluminum hydride reduces this group only. Aldehyde group is converted to alcohol, not for carbon-carbon double bond. So it will be get CH2 CH CH2OH. Aldehyde is converted to primary alcohol. So the plus point of common catalysts like lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride reduces only carbonyl group and not for carbon-carbon double bond and a double bond in benzene ring. Second step is a reduction to hydrocarbon. Here aldehydes and ketone, the carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketone converted to methylene group bond CH2 bond. It consists of two naming reactions. First one is a Clemmensen reduction. In these reactions, the aldehydes and ketones are heated with zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid to produce hydrocarbons. First one, for example, acetaldehyde. Formula CH3CH double bond O. It reduces with zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. This reaction is carried out by 4 hydrogen atom because hydrocarbons consist of carbon and hydrogen. Here the oxygen is removed as a water. So we can add 4 hydrogen. In this case, ketone, acetone, CH3C double bond O CH3 is reduced by using zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid to produce a hydrocarbon called propane and a removal of water molecules. Second naming reaction is a Wolff-Kishner reduction. Here also carbonyl compounds are converted to hydrocarbon. Here we can use the reducing agent is a hydrazine. The formula for hydrazine is NH2 bond NH2. Next, sodium ethoxide is used as a catalyst. First, the carbonyl compounds converted to hydrazone. Hydrazine is converted to hydrazone, which on heating with a strong base to produces hydrocarbon. For example,